Welcome. Are you tired of waking up multiple times at night to urinate, disrupting your sleep and leaving you exhausted the next morning? If so, this video is must watch for you. Nocturia of frequently waking up at night to urinate can significantly affect your sleep quality. The constant waking, walking, and trying to fall back asleep can be very exhausting. The next morning, you may feel tired, sluggish, and weak. But don't worry, there are certain habits you can adopt to alleviate this issue. In today's video, we will discuss 8 effective habits that can help reduce the problems associated with nocturia. These habits are both simple and scientifically proven. Let's get started. Number 1. Limiting water intake before sleep. How often have you found yourself waking up multiple times at night, disrupting your sleep? A simple adjustment in your nightly routine might be the answer. Reducing your fluid intake 2 to 3 hours before bedtime can significantly improve your sleep quality. By giving your body time to process existing fluids before you sleep, your bladder remains less full, resulting in fewer trips to the bathroom. It's not just about how much liquid you consume, but also about what type you are drinking. Diuretics such as coffee, tea, cold drinks, and alcohol have a significant impact on your bladder activity. Aim to consume more water in the morning and afternoon instead, and when thirst strikes at night, sip slowly rather than downing an entire glass of water. Number 2. Adjust your diet. Consider adjusting your diet to further minimize nightly disruptions. Many might not realize the irritating effect certain foods can have on the bladder. Spicy foods contain capsaicin, which could cause bladder discomfort. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons may also be problematic for some, warranting a substitution if frequent night awakenings occur. Artificial sweeteners often found in diet drinks and sugar-free snacks can stimulate bladder as well. Monitoring your consumption through a food diary can help identify the culprits, guiding you to make beneficial changes in your eating habits. These small habits can change your health. Number 3. Elevate your legs. Let's dive into the third tip to improve symptoms of nocturia and sleep quality. That is, elevate your legs before bedtime. After a long day of walking or sitting, fluid tends to accumulate in the lower part of your body. When you lie down at night, these fluids return to your bloodstream, causing your kidneys to produce more urine. This results in frequent trips to the bathroom, resulting in your sleep. To counter this, elevate your legs for 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. Simply lie down on your bed or sofa and place your legs on cushions or pillows and rest them against a wall for a while. Ensure that your legs are higher than your heart. By doing this, the fluids in your legs slowly returns to your bloodstream, allowing your kidneys to filter it before bedtime, reducing the need for nighttime bathroom visits. This practice not only reduces swelling in your legs, making them feel lighter, but it also helps you feel more relaxed in the evening. Give it a try and enjoy a more peaceful sleep. Number 4. Bladder training. Bladder training involves postponing restroom visits by 10 to 15 minutes when you feel the urge to go. Initially challenging, your bladder will adapt over time. As holding capacity increases, nighttime bedroom trips decreases, improving sleep quality and symptoms of nocturia. Gradually extend the delay to 20 to 30 minutes. Consistency and patience are key for effective results. Combining this technique with double voiding, urinating twice before bed can enhance outcomes. Number 5. Check your medicines. If you are frequently waking up at night to use the bathroom, the culprit might be the medications you take daily for conditions like blood pressure or heart problems. Certain medicines, particularly diuretics, are designed to accelerate the body's urine production process, leading to more frequent nighttime bathroom trips. If you suspect your medicine is affecting your sleep, it's crucial to consult your doctor. Sometimes adjusting the time or even the dosage of medications can make a significant difference. However, never make changes without professional guidance. Diuretics are intended to expel the excess salt and water from the body, which helps reduce blood pressure and swelling but might lead to excessive urination if taken near bedtime. Additionally, some blood pressure or depression medications relax the bladder or increase urine production. Therefore, it is not just about what medications you are taking, but also when you take it. Changing the time of your medications can often preserve your sleep quality while maintaining its benefits. So, if you are doing everything right, such as drinking less water, elevating your legs, and eating properly, but still find yourself waking up at night, the medication schedule might be the contributing factor. Number 6, adjust nighttime routine. Creating a nighttime relaxation routine sounds simple, but establishing a habit of sleeping and waking at the same time every day brings your body into a rhythm known as circadian rhythm. This signals your body that it's time to relax. Engage in activities like a light evening walk, reading a book, taking a warm bath, deep breathing exercises, dimming the lights, and drinking caffeine-free herbal tea. Avoid using phone, TV, or laptops excessively at night. Consuming caffeine or tea and drinking too much water within 2 hours before bedtime, these small steps collectively deepen your sleep. Remember, good sleep comes from a consistent habit, and you can definitely achieve it. Number 7, double voiding. Voiding before sleep is a simple yet effective habit that can significantly reduce nighttime urination interruptions. Here is how you can incorporate it into your routine. Before heading to bed, visit the washroom as usual. However, instead of going straight to bed, take a short break of 5 to 10 minutes, during which you can brush your teeth, relax, or prepare your belongings for a restful night. This practice, known as double voiding, ensures that your bladder is completely empty. Often, people believe their bladder is empty, but some urine still remains, which can be bothersome, especially as we age and bladder muscles weaken, leaving residual urine that disrupt our sleep. Even a small amount can lead to sleep disturbances by increasing the need to urinate at night. You can amplify its benefit by combining this with other habits like reducing liquid intake at night or elevating your legs to prevent fluid retention. If you have not tried double voiding before, don't worry. It's neither difficult nor uncomfortable. Simply be patient, relax slightly, and apply this habit consistently for several nights. Many small habits work best when integrated into your daily routine. Number 8, do regular physical activity. Struggling with frequent trips to the bathroom at night? There is a simple and effective solution: staying physically active during the day. When we spend all day sitting or standing in one place, fluid accumulates in the lower parts of the body. Once we lie down at night, these fluids return to our bloodstream, causing the kidneys to produce more urine. Engaging in light exercises such as walking, cycling, yoga, or stretching helps keep the blood and fluid circulating properly. This reduces the pressure on your bladder, prevents swelling in your legs, and minimizes nighttime bathroom trips. Plus, exercise strengthens the pelvic floor muscles that support your bladder, enhancing urine control. You don't need a heavy workout. Just 30 minutes of light movement daily is enough. If you are overweight, these activities can help reduce your weight, thus relieving the pressure on your bladder and mitigating nocturia. Best of all, exercise can improve your sleep quality. Adopt these 8 easy habits, practice patience and consistency, and celebrate every small improvement. You deserve a deep, restful sleep. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.